I'm Lori with the Melted Crayon. Many of you have contacted me with questions about using the Easy Clip. So today I'm going to go over a quick tutorial on using the Easy Clip with the fast frames. So if you've ordered this Easy Clip from my website, it'll come to you in a package like this. So as soon as you get it, you'll open her up. Inside the bag, you're going to find the tools and the clips that go within the tool. So here you will take the clips and you're going to slide them into the back of the tool itself, where the opening of the clip faces towards the center of the Easy tool. Slide them in like so. Once they're all inside, you shake it so that you can move one to the front. This is the mouth of the Easy Clip. And it'll be ready now to attach a stabilizer to the frame. Here's a frame that we're going to use today. That will be attached to this fast frame. Now make sure that if you are ordering the Easy Clip, that it's because you have a fast frame. Don't confuse it with the Easy Frame. An Easy Frame does not work with the fast clip. It's the fast frames that you'll want to have. Okay, so we're going to use this one today. This size is about approximately 5 by 8. So I'm going to take some tearaway stabilizer. Now you can use cutaway, tearaway, or you can even use a sticky stabilizer on this. But to use the Easy Clip, you'll want a stabilizer that's either tearaway or cutaway. Okay, once you have that, and this is just a scrap piece, I'm going to line it up on my frame. I'm going to fold the stabilizer around the frame edge, have a nice smooth edge, and then I'm going to attach it with my Easy Clip. And there, my clip just goes right on it. Now you can put as many on here as you want. My advice is to use as few as you can. The less metal you have on your frame, the less chance of your needle hitting it. So this is the next side. So once you have it nice and pulled tight, and you do the other side and shake it so the clips come forward. Put the mouth of the Easy Clip right on the frame and slide forward. And your clip will attach. Now this is the front of your frame. You again just fold it over. You don't have to clip here, but if you want it to be nice and tight, then you can shake the clips again to the front and slide. There you have your clips on your frame, and your frame is now ready to be attached. All right, so loosen this up, and this little notch will slide right around the screw, and this holes right here, the dowels, will slide into the holes. All right, once it's on, let's see, there we go. You can hear it kind of clips, and you just tighten this up, and you're ready to embroider. Now, when you're done with your project, you'll just be tearing the project off using the tearing of the stabilizer, and your project will come right off. These clips, however, you're going to pull off and reuse them. So you can use these over and over again with your Easy Clip. Just reload it again from the back. Opening of the clip going towards the center of your Easy Clip. And you're ready, locked and loaded and ready to go again. So that is the quick directions on using this easy clip with a fast frame.